is up, guys? We are going to be drawing a Taco Bell. Okay. So you need a Sharpie, something to color with, and paper. Okay. So first, we're going to start with this. That little part. It's easy, simple, and if you need to pause the video and I'm going too fast, I like to catch you. You can do it. Okay, then you draw the bottom part. Okay, so we're going to be drawing a face. So first I'm going to do the big eyeball and the second big eyeball. Pretty big. I will try making them the same size. And then that and that. And that. Okay. So we're going to be doing that. And then you color it in black. Sorry if I'm taking a while. I don't know how to speed up the video. Timer. Okay. Then that. Looks pretty cool so far, and I think your guys does, even though I can't see it. And the most important thing is to have fun. Okay, let's get back to it. Okay. First, I'm going to draw the lettuce. He kind of looks like a baby. Just draw some lines right here. Sorry if you can see it in the background. Okay. And like, you know the little lines inside the lettuce? That must be funny. Okay. Then the tomato. than the tomato. Doesn't look like it, does it? Okay. Now we are going to be drawing. And you can pause the video if you need to see how I draw mine. And you can really make your own. The part is for you to have fun. Okay. Let's speed this up a little.